mama, nigga, it was a couple.
I don't even know what to say now. I'm calling my killers, you know.
Look, as soon as I got here, she said just stop.
Get your ass. My mama.
5 minutes later.
Wake up, scroll.
Oh, niggas don't want to show their face now. Niggas don't want to show their face now. Yes, sir. Hey, Jayla shares on that mug. Shareen. Jayla. Hey, hold on. Let me take over this bitch. Big Mo take over in this bitch. What?
It's so bright.
Look at Blake walking down. Look at Blake walking down. Here you go, gang. Oh, the nigga that be always
Just got faded. Aha!
behind the camera, sitting here not doing shit. His lame ass.
I love my girlfriend.
Me too.
Me too. Bow, bow, bow.
Hold on. Party over. It's the police here, nigga.
Huh?
Police.
Huh?
12.
Oh.
Trying to get the fuck. What? Come on, let's go, nigga. Hey, we threw the motion off. Hey, the twin.
My mama, nigga, it was a couple.
Yeah, drop me off.
Nah, no, I'm with Jay, Slim. Take me with Jay, Slim.
Hey, you going with us? Outside, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm drunk as the fuck. Drunk. Hey.
I'm drunk.
What the fuck? Head, my head. Oh, where you at? Hold on.
Hello. Back off.
Are y'all ready to go?
Oh,
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's JX Knuckle, man.
Hello.
Like, comment, I haven't dropped the vid in a minute, man. You know.
Hello. Now we gonna drop
Dropping
that.
Sunday, though.
And now we gonna give. Cap.
I was giving niggas up. In the car, nigga. We about to go.
Oh, we stepping off? Where we
Going
going?
to the other shit, bro. Come on.
Wait, dead ass like 45 away?
Drop me on. Hey, Hey, this is where everything started at. Nigga.
Hello, this is where it started, you hear me? And now we back. End of the semester, shit don't stop, people do. In front of us is totally real shit.
G-ho. G motherfucking ho. G motherfucking ho, nigga. G motherfucking ho, nigga.
G-ho.
Hey, turn this shit around. Hey, listen.
Several long days later.
Yeah, man. It's Cooper, man. Boom, gang. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Niggas is really whipping us up. Niggas is really whipping. I'm back. Hope y'all enjoyed the YouTube video, man. You know, this is a quick memo, you know what I'm saying? This is a quick little vid. quick little something, feel me, that had to put down, feel me. So, no, I don't go back to August. So, I'm back in Charlotte, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned with me. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for more everything. But listen, real talk, though. I got to talk to y'all. So, if you ever feel down on yourself, make sure that you love yourself, bro. Make sure you grinding on your own. Make sure you doing your thing. Make sure you lock in this summer, man. This summer is not time to be lazy. Don't be lazy, bro. Lock in. Like, I'm locked in. I'm going to start doing my YouTube stuff for real. I'll be bull. Oh, yeah, you know, y'all, all my niggas be saying, I be bullshitting, feel me? But y'all gonna tune in, bro. We gonna go crazy, I swear. I need everybody. I need all the support. I need all the love. I need all the family. I need all the glories, man. I took a break because I was going through a little mental stuff, mental problems, family stuff. So I just took a break, focus on me. You know what I'm saying? Focus on me. Focus on everything around me. Feel me? Yeah. And if you was in a relationship, if you need advice, I'm gonna give it right here. Understand why you love your person, bro. For real, like, understand why you love your person. I love my person. I love my girl. She know that. Shout out her, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a vid. She gonna be on here. Y'all seen her. But I ain't gonna say too much, but yeah. We're doing the vid. So we're gonna do a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? A lot of content, a lot of stuff. I'm gonna stop bull. I'll be outside. I don't be outside like that no more, you know what I'm saying? Cause, you know, I'm wifed up, feel me? So, but I'm gonna be outside though this summer with the clips from Charlotte, you know what I'm saying? How Charlotte get down. Show how Charlotte vibe out, you know. We always be the #1 city in North Carolina, bro. No cap. And nobody can't talk to me. Simple. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's JX Knuckle.
The swag on me, got the cash on me, I don't give a fuck what a bitch say. My bitch say, get to the bag, get to the cheddar and stay out the motherfucking way. 392, you wanna know.